Hi there, welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to talk about your selfie camera or your phone camera is not working on your iPhone. Although we have iPhone 13 mini here, but you can follow exactly the same process any iPhone you might have. Now some people say, especially for the selfie lover or who takes a lot of selfie or takes video by using their iPhone phone camera, they say whenever they try to open up their camera is keep getting blurred, or your phone camera is frozen, maybe just showing you the black screen, or sometimes your shutter button is not working, or maybe whenever you try to open up your selfie camera, your application get crashed. Now if you have any problem on your phone camera, just keep on watching this video to solve your problem. The basic things we're going to talk about is the minor bugs or glitches. Therefore, the first work that you want to do, just go ahead and press that volume up button and down button and quickly press and hold your power button. And keep it holding unless you see your iPhone just get restarted. Sometimes doing this little work can help you to solve your problem. However, if your problem is still not resolved, then go ahead and check out our second way. In the second way, you have to do a little workaround on your camera settings. Go ahead and open up your settings and scroll down here and find out your camera application. Now all you want to do, just go ahead and tap on preserve settings. From here, just go ahead and turn on these features called camera mode on your iPhone. Now sometimes people say enabling these features help them tremendously to solve their problem. Now get out of here, open up your camera, and now just try to take a look at on whether your selfie camera is start working or not. Now let's say you have done that process as well, but still you've got the same problem. In the next way, all you gotta do, you gotta remove, or let's say you have to forcefully remove the application from your background. So all you want to do, open up the camera, now wait around some time, now just pull it up, then just go ahead and remove the camera application from your background. However, if you still see exactly the same problem is going on your phone camera, the next things we're going to talk about is your screen protector and the dust and particle that you might have for your phone camera. Well, sometimes if you're using a screen protector with your iPhone which is not compatible with your device, well, that can give you the blurry images. Therefore, it's highly recommendable for you to change your screen protector. At the same time, just go ahead and grab a cloth and remove some dust and particle on your phone camera to see your problem is solved or not. Well, after doing all the process, if you found out you still have the same problem here, you can quickly take a look at on the last two processes. First, just open up your settings and scroll down here, tap on General and tap on Software Update. Now, sometimes if your software update is causing the problem, updating to the new software update can solve the problem. However, though, if you don't find new software available for your device, just get back here, scroll down here, tap on Transfer and Reset iPhone, and tap on Reset and choose Reset All Settings. Don't worry, this is not going to remove anything from your device, but it will solve all the problem that you might have with your camera. Now, even after doing Reset All Settings on your iPhone, if you see you have problem with your camera still, that could mean you have problem with the hardware. Now, in that case, all you gotta do, you gotta take your iPhone to the Apple Care, and hopefully they'll solve the problem for yourself. You'll be able to use your camera all over again. Alright guys, so these are the ways that you guys can follow to solve your camera, especially for your selfie camera is not working on your iPhone. Hope you found this video useful. If you think so, drop a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you all later.